Nigeria's leading budget watchdog, BudgIT, says it has identified flaws in the federal government's management of more than 360 billion naira it received to ease the hardship imposed by COVID-19. BudgIT says the funds in question cover a period spanning the past 12 months. Sarah Ayeko has details.
Just a year ago, the world was under the grip of a strange virus that wreaked havoc on lives and livelihoods. Governments and corporate citizens threw everything they could at it, including a large war chest of goodwill that ran into billions of dollars. There are now fears that huge sums donated to help negatively impacted persons may have been mismanaged. BudgIT, a civic tech organization and advocate of transparency and accountability in Nigeria, has released a detailed research report on COVID-19 fund management in Nigeria with focus on the distribution of palliatives in the country.
The best practice is actually that we don't have a proper citizen database and a proper addressing system. Proper citizen database can actually dimension who is actually poor in Nigeria. And that's what's going to get palliative to the people. What we have done most times is to do randomized profiling of people.
From its findings, there seems to be a disconnect between what the government thinks it is doing and the effectiveness of numerous intervention programs.
When we even try to reach out to the respective agencies to ask for what is the distribution pattern, you get half information and you don't even have access to those data. And if you write FOI, just like wasting your time.
So you have government agencies doing so many things that revolve around COVID-19, humanitarian response, relief, administration, coordination, yet you don't really find a sense of cohesion around what they're doing. And that may be the reason why there is no evidence that what they're doing is succeeding.
The report reveals that $5.6 billion was received as donations, grants and relief support by the Nigerian government. It further states that the federal government has disbursed 288 billion naira from the 500 billion naira set aside for COVID-19 intervention programs through its economic sustainability plan.
This is not just what we necessarily want to leave to the federal government to do. There are tiers of government. Even from the local government, we should be able to consciously work on a system where even at the local government, we can have registered, we can have record, we can have data of people within a local government and then be able to channel our distribution of palliative or support to citizens, vulnerable citizens, through that channel.
This report is an introductory report. The group hopes to get more information as there are still pending requests at different ministries, departments and agencies of government. Sarah Ayeko, TVC News, Lagos.